Since the pandemic began, everyone has faced different challenges, but imagine not being able to live in your home for the last 6 months after it was damaged.
Well, that's what it has been like for an Anderson County woman whose house was nearly destroyed last July. And to make matters worse, she and her husband didn't have enough homeowners insurance to cover all of her losses.
Well, she invited WATE 6 on Your Side consumer reporter Don Dare to her home recently to talk about the coverage she did have.
Well, that's right, Lori. You know, a home is more than just a roof over your head. It may be your most valuable asset and one you likely cannot afford to replace out of pocket if disaster strikes. That's why protecting your investment with the right homeowner's insurance coverage is so important.
It brought 3 big trees down on our house.
From a distance, Debbie Doherty's home looks okay, but Debbie and her husband have yet to move in where they've lived for 30 years. Up close damage from a sudden windstorm last July is still visible.
This tree up here is part of the tree that came in down in our house. This tree behind me, the top of it also went down, so it put more weight on the house.
This is July 21st, 2020, the day after 3 big trees found their targets inside Debbie's house as she was sitting in her kitchen.
I turned around and all at once I see the big old tree limb coming through the kitchen, and I thought, oh my God, I'm gonna get hit. I hurried and moved, and here it came into our house. We had God watching over us for sure.
Inside her home today, it's taken 6 months and tens of thousands of dollars for contractors to make repairs.
This is our new kitchen since the disaster. Look how beautiful it is.
Mrs. Doherty was pleased to show us her new appliances and cabinets. She's proud of how the kitchen sparkles.
The ceiling, this is where the tree limb come through. Right, you can't even tell it now.
Debbie says she's learned a lot about insurance policies the last 6 months. The homeowner's coverage she had left her tens of thousands of dollars in the red, with thousands coming out of her own pocket.
You don't know what you have until after you have a disaster, and that's not the time to find out what you have. You need to know what you have before something happens.
What she didn't realize is that her homeowner's insurance actual cash value, ACV, was a policy that included depreciation. The other option for policyholders is the slightly more expensive replacement cost value, or RCV.
You never think anything's going to happen, and you think everything is covered. Of course, you don't know until you have that loss.
Kevin Shires is vice president at Tennessee Insurance Services, TIS. He doesn't know Mrs. Doherty, but he's an expert on the differences in policies.
ACV is replacement cost less depreciation. So depreciation's taken out for the time that's elapsed.
Let's say a roof damaged by a storm originally cost $12,000 when new 18 years ago. If you had an actual cash value policy, the value of that depreciated roof is today a lot less than 12 grand.
You'll just get what it's worth at the time of the loss rather than what it would cost to put a new roof on or rebuild a new home.
On the other hand, replacement cost value is the amount of money it would take to replace your damaged home with the exact home in today's market.
Pure replacement cost coverage, which is what it would cost to rebuild your home with like kind and quality of materials at today's cost for labor and materials.
In a few days, Debbie and her husband will be moving back into their house, a lot wiser about home insurance coverage.
A lot of times cheaper is not that good. You know, you look at it in the long run, like what we've had to deal with. I wish we would ask more questions and we would have known what we had.
Now, Debbie and her husband have upgraded their insurance since the storm last year. Homeowners insurance coverage is not required by law, but if you have a mortgage, your lender will likely require you to insure the home to protect its investment. If you have a question about your homeowner's insurance, call your agent. Bo?
Good advice right there, Don. Hey, if you have a consumer question for Don, send him an email at ddare@wat.com or call his 6 on Your Side hotline number at 865-633-5974.